Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we will find the alphabets, we will search the alphabet and we will arrange the alphabet from A to Z. So let's get started. Let's find the alphabet A. Where is A? A. Oh, this is A. I found the A. So let's place it here. Next is B. Where is B? This is B. Yellow color B. I will place B here. Now next is C. C. Oh, this is C. C. Next is D. D. This is D. D. Next is E. Oh wow, I got the E. Let's keep it here. E. Next is F. Where is F? F. Oh, red color F. Keep it here. F. Next is G. Where is G? Anybody? Can you find it? G? Oh, I got the G. This is G. Next, what will come after G? H. Where is H? Yes, this is H. I got the H. Now, next, I. Wow, this is I. I. What will come after I? J. Where is J? Wow, this is J. Keep it here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Now, the K will come after J. Where is K? K. Yes, this is K. K. Next is L. L. Yes, this is L. L. M. Where is M? Is this M? Yes, this is M. Now, next is N. N. Where is N? This is N. This is N. Now next is O. This is O. 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 Next we will place the P. Let's find out P. P. This is P. P. Next is Q. Anybody? Can you find the Q? This is Q. Keep it here. Q. Next is R. Where is R? R. Yes. This is R. Keep it here. Now next is S. Where is S? This is S. S. Now next let's find out the T. T. Where is T? Yes, this is T. Keep it here. Next, let's find out the alphabet U. This is U. Place it here. Next, the V will come after U. This is V. Next, what will come after V? I think W. W will come after V. Next is X. This is X. Keep it here. Next is Y. X, Y, and last is Z. This is Z. Let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You have to practice this every day. And don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.